Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning or afternoon, wherever you're at. This is a generative expand tutorial. Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop 2025. Say I got a picture like this. Alright. I want to expand the sides out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to crop tool, select the crop tool, then select one of these edges, hold down the Alt key and pull. It pulls out equally on both sides. Okay, now let go. Now I'm gonna do a generative expand. With my little bar up here. Generate. Click generate. Computer goes to work. And we got that. And we got this. Oh, that one's nice. These variations over here, nice, nice. I like this one. I like this one. Okay. That's generative expand in Photoshop.